Meanwhile, failure to dialogue between political actors, especially the opposition and the ruling government in Uganda, has been attributed to lack of trust, which emphasizes consensus and serenity. While launching a report on effective governance and partnership systems for national development by Uganda National Academy of Science at Serena Hotel in Kampala, Chairman Elders Forum, retired Justice James Ogola, said if those who govern do not stick to their mandate and betray the trust, things will always go wrong.
A few months ago, Uganda National Academy of Sciences embarked on a survey to discover why people do not trust as a society outside their homes, community, their government, and why they are skeptical to pay taxes to the state. The report from the survey that aimed at coming up with recommendations on how to build the nation through effective governance indicates that the biggest reason for loss of trust among the population is the country's historical precedences like coups and wars.
If you think of the present, we have a constitution that exists mostly on paper, but does not exist in terms of our national ethos, because it can be amended freely and willy-nilly. So the present is also uncertain.
Findings in the report show that Uganda has a long legacy of broken promises.
Our leaders are human, yes, but they struggle and have struggled to figure out how to distribute resources, facilitate social cohesion, and forge new ways of being more equitable and just.
Accordingly, trust requires a space for shared vulnerability, willingness to learn and focus on shared problems.
Now that development must have consequences that inspire us to action. We must open our hearts to trust with compassion and humility. However, we are all vulnerable in different ways.
The chairperson, Elders Forum, retired Justice James Ogola, says one reason dialogue would fail is lack of trust in those governing the country, which he terms as a deficit of trust.
And if that trust is betrayed, then things